So this morning I was feeling crazy rough. It was not a good morning. Oh, I have not been getting a lot of sleep, and I think this morning it just really caught up with me. Plus it was snowing and yucky out. So after a few coffees, I did what I want to tell other moms to do if they're feeling this way too. And it's been the most important discovery of my motherhood career, and it's that on the days when you feel super duper terrible, spend a little extra time on yourself. I just felt like staying in my gross coffee stained pajamas all day long. I grabbed my kids, brought them to the bathroom, plonked them down, had a nice long shower, did my makeup with my new Sephora stuff from yesterday, washed my hair and dried it. I don't think it's that I need to wear makeup to feel beautiful. It's that just spending that little time just focused on myself and taking care of myself makes me feel so much better afterwards. And I just know that the rest of the day I'll be able to cope so much better. So if you're ever feeling super tired and gross and like you cannot even start the day, let alone complete it, do this. Oh, I just wanted to add that I do this whole showering, getting ready when I feel extra terrible, even if I'm running late. If it means I'm more late, I don't really care. I think it's worth being a little bit extra late when it means the whole rest of my day will be productive and a much, much better one. Duty calls. So my attempted power hour did not go so well. Someone woke up. It's okay. So I'm probably not going to get everything accomplished in an hour. Also, I for some reason decided to start this power hour when I normally have a coffee, so I definitely ran out of energy. So I'm cuddling a baby and caffeinating now. Well, we've been having a rather eventful Saturday. We are trying to repair our dishwasher.
Heck!
I know. It's pretty scary looking.
What the heck?
Last little bit of wiping here. And I just wanted to discuss about our eventful weekend. So it was supposed to be a pretty low-key weekend, but our dishwasher broke. So we took that whole thing apart, got it fixed. So that was kind of a little bit crazy because the dishes piled up. But anyways, it's a fix now. And then we also are currently locked out of our kids' bedrooms. There is actual locks on their doors from the previous people who lived at this house. And my daughter decided to lock them both. So despite the fact that they are adjoining rooms and theoretically should have 2 exits, we're locked out. So I have no idea. I guess we're gonna have to break and enter into there later on. So wish me luck. As always. These videos, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up if you like it, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next vlog. Bye!